What would you love to learn about today? Water! Oh, is that a mud puddle? Splashing is fun. Messy, but fun. Now what are you going to do? Wow, you've made quite a big splash. I see you're not wearing your rain boots. You didn't want to get your nice boots dirty, didn't you? Okay. It sure is fun to splash, but that mud is pretty messy. How will you clean that mud off your paws? Are you trying to make it rain? Rain doesn't come when you ask it to come. It's not like water from a tap. Rainwater that falls from the sky is part of nature. Whoa, you just got soaked, but it isn't raining. What's going on? That water is not coming from above. Do you know where it's coming from? That's just a puddle. It's not spraying you. Could that water be coming from somewhere else? Ooh, you found a sprinkler. Hello, duck. Do you want to play in the sprinkler too? You're not getting any water because the sprinkler water is going over your head. Can you and duck trade places? That is nice of you to share your spot, duck. Sprinklers are for watering the garden and for fun. Are you having fun? And look, the mud is all gone. You're all clean. What a wonderful water day.